commencement of the class with the supreme, sacred, marvelous, great, splendid name of Allah the Almighty, the most gracious and merciful. Almighty Allah is omnipotent, omnipresent and omniscient. He is the most vigorous, generous, marvelous and splendid too. Uncountable and unlimited salams and salats to Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, for whom this entire universe and the systems of the universe have been created and made. So beloved students, again we are here in this class. Before sharing anything, I am gonna tell you a little story. I wanna know that how many students are there who are able to understand the English. Because here in this class there is the problem, and our administrations also said us that you have to share everything in Sindhi. But I want to know that how many students of the class are there who are able to understand English. If they are the majority of the students is there in this class who are able to understand, we would continue each and everything in English, and sometimes if need be, the Sindhi language would be spoken for making you understand. So this is the story. Try your best to understand whatever I am saying, telling. I am going to tell you the story about Mr. Bill Gates. You all have listened the name of Mr. Bill Gates, was the richest person in the world. And about his son, I think his name was Mr. Rory Gates. So once upon Mr. Bill Gates' son, Mr. Rory Gates, went in the most expensive hotel of New York, America, for having lunch. At that hotel, the waiter served him a lot. Each and everything, whatever he wanted, whatever he desired, was presented there. Mr. Bill Gates' son became so happy due to his outstanding and terrific service. And in happiness, Mr. Bill Gates' son, Rory, gave $100 to the waiter for tip. He rewarded and he awarded him, and he gave him $100. Again I am repeating. Try your best to understand. Once upon Mr. Bill Gates' son went in the most expensive hotel of New York, America for having lunch. The waiter served him a lot. And Mr. Bill Gates' son became so happy. And in happiness, he gave $100 to the waiter for tip. After a few days, Mr. Bill Gates himself was the richest person in the world. I think he's the owner of the Microsoft company too. So Mr. Bill Gates himself went in same most expensive hotel of New York, America. And that same waiter was there. And that waiter served him a lot. And Mr. Bill Gates also became so happy due to his outstanding service. Whatever he wanted, whatever he desired and wished, he presented. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Yes, my lord. I am here. So Mr. Bill Gates liked his service too. And Mr. Bill Gates also gave the tip to the waiter, but only $2. How many dollars? Administration was there, staff was there, media representative was there, so many people were there, guests were there. Each and every person was really so amazed, astonished and surprised that, few days ago his son had come and he had given $100 to the waiter for tip. Today he himself has come and he has given only $2. So media, journalists and reporters were there too. So one of them, a reporter asked the question, sir, there is a question, would you like to reply? What is the question, mister? Sir, my question is that few days ago your son had come over here, and the same waiter had served him a lot, and your son had given $100 to the waiter for tip. And today you have come and you have given only $2 to him. Why? What is the reason behind? Mr. Bill Gates said, yes, what you said? Yes, sir, I have questioned you that few days ago, your son had come and he had given $100 to the waiter for tip. Today you yourself have given only $2. What is the reason? Mr. Bill Gates was he replied really wisely and intelligently. Oh, it means my son had given $100 to the waiter for tip. So listen the reply. My son had given $100 to the waiter for tip because my son is the son of the richest person in the world. I have given only $2 because I am son of a woodcutter. So my father was woodcutter, that's why I have given only $2. So the story is over. So now please raise your hands. Who are there in this class who have understood that story? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So many students are there. The majority of the students who have understood. So now I have to teach you something. I have to tell you something. But if need be, I would speak English. Otherwise, the English language would be spoken over here. Because we all are here, and in future time, inshallah, you all would be the great teachers of our society. You would go to our schools and you have to teach your students, and you know the importance of English. So you have to be habitual of understanding English as well as speaking English. English is not difficult. I have experienced so many years have been passed, I have been teaching English. So there was a student whose performance was really dull. Very bad performance of that student was when there was the test of present simple tense. He didn't conduct anymore. So I said, after 1 month, I said to him, Mr. Your performance really poor. You have to leave this center and you have to learn from any other teacher who may teach you the basic class. You have to learn basic things. After that, once again you have to join. So he replied to me. I know what a wonderful reply that student was. On that day, that student taught me something. We learn. We are just like you. We are students too. We are learning daily. So that student said to me, sir, you don't know. I have learned a lot over here in 1 month. I said, what have you learned? Your result is over here. This is the test. These are the marks. He said to me, sir, when it was the very first day, you were here in this class. You are suggesting us. You are giving us some directions. You are giving some hints to us. I was unable to understand any point of them. I was not able to understand anything on that time. But today, after passing 1 month over here, whatever you speak, whatever you share, whatever you come, I am able to understand. Sir, it is not my result. I have really given the best result because I am able to understand. This is my improvement and progress which I have presented in front of you, and I have shown that I am able to understand you. So in that manner, if such kind of environment would be over here, that our teacher, especially the teachers of English, a lot of time they must speak English. If such kind of environment would be here, because here are the legend teachers over here, and we are lucky and fortunate because such kind of outstanding teachers, great teachers are over here, and they teach not only in English, but in each and every subject, they are teaching us with heart and soul. So many students have understood. So now we are going to move to the task of the day. Here I have written subject plus helping or auxiliary verbs. In previous classes, subject, verb, agreement, we understood. We tried our best. And if you are poor and if you are unable to get something, you may watch the videos again and again. And inshallah, the things would be repeated there, and all the things would be memorized in your mind. So if you want to keep such kind of things in your memory, again and again listen to the videos. And it is really positive thing that the lecture is not over now, because the lectures are there too and we can watch too. So subject, helping verb are auxiliary verbs. In previous classes we learned present simple tense and also subject verb agreement, and we focused to us present continuous tense. Today all the tense and some usages would be in our focus, in our view too. So subject plus helping verb, auxiliary verbs. First of all, I'm going to tell you that how many kinds of auxiliary verbs are there. There are main three auxiliary verbs. Primary auxiliaries are there, modal auxiliaries are there, and semi auxiliaries are there. Primary auxiliaries are to be, to do, and to have. To be means is, am, or, was, were. To do means do, does, did. And to have means has, have, had, has been, have been, had been. In modal, all the helping verbs which are related with future or with other usages, these are called, which shows futurity, potency, request, different things. So they are related with modal. And which are the semis? Need, dare. And others are too, but we have to focus and we have to learn about need and dare too. So I have written here some helping verbs. Here he is, I am. Now today in this class we have to learn that which form of the verb we have to apply, we have to insert in these sentences. Which form of the verb? Because in previous class we had discussed that there are the four kinds of the verb. First form, it is also called present. Second form, it is called past. Third form, it is called past participle. Well done. And fourth form, it is called present participle. So today in this class, we have to learn and we have to discuss here that which form of the verb would be used here in these, with these subjects, with these helping verbs. I have written so many helping verbs over here. Which form of the verb would be used here? This is the topic of the class. So we know there are the four: speak, spoke, second form, third form spoken, and fourth form speaking. These are the forms of verb. Speak first, spoke second form, spoken third form, and speaking fourth form. Now in these sentences we have to apply such kind of verbs. So first of all we are going to move to this row. I have written here he is, I am, you are. These are the helping verbs of present continuous tense. Today I have to tell you a very easy and simple tense which is really complicated and really tough in our books. We have to discuss about the since and for too. That where we have to use since and where we have to use for. A really easy tip would be given to you in this class too. So he is, I am, you are. These are the helping verbs of present continuous tense. I was, they were. These are the helping verbs of past continuous. She will be, we shall be. These are the helping verbs of future continuous. It has been, the students have been, they had been, he will have been, we shall have been. These are the helping verbs of perfect tenses. It has been, present perfect tense. The students have been, present perfect continuous tense. They had been, past perfect continuous tense. He will have been and we shall have been, These are the helping verbs of future perfect continuous tenses. So these are the helping verbs, I think, continuous tenses. So whenever such kind of helping verbs would be used, at that time we have to apply, we have to insert the verb fourth form. अहिड़ो फार्म असांखे यूज़ करिणो आहे जंहिंमें इंग फार्म यूज़ थिए जॾहिं बि हीअ हेल्पिंग वर्ब तव्हां ज़हन में टेस्ट जी तयारी आहे न बाबू हिते थोरी सेखारींदासीं त हीअ हेल्पिंग वर्ब आहिनि पोइ हिन जो निगेटिव थोरी हिंट ॾियणी आहे हीअ जेकी बि हेल्पिंग वर्ब तव्हांजे साम्हूं नज़र अची रहिया आहिनि इन्हनि सां एक्टिव लिहाज़ खां हिकिड़ो पैसिव जो ॿियो अंदाज़ आहे जॾहिं पैसिव जे रंगनि में पाण रंगजंदासीं त उन महिल वरी थोरो हिननि खे चेंज करिणो पवंदो पर फ़िलहालु अॼु एक्टिव जे लिहाज़ खां जेकी बि हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज़ कयल आहिनि इन्हनि सां ही जेकी बि हेल्पिंग वर्ब लिखिया विया आहिनि इन्हनि सां वर्ब फोर्थ फॉर्म मीन्स वर्ब इंग फॉर्म यूज़ थींदो हीज़ तव्हां वर्ब ॿुधाईंदा वेंदो ही इज़ स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश वेरी नाइस आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू ग्रेट You are plucking flowers. It was raining heavily. Okay. They were taking tea. Okay. She will be arranging the party. We shall be attending the class. It has been barking at bigger. Okay. But in these tenses, these are the perfect tenses. In these sentences, in the last we have to use period of time or point of time. In books, the things are written that this is the point of time, this is the period of time. But whenever the students read and whenever any teacher teach, the students are unable to understand properly. ॾाढी ॾुखियाई थी उन्हनि खे थिए शागिर्दनि खे जेॾी महिल सिन से फार जो पीरियड ऑफ टाइम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम मां तव्हांखे पीरियड ऐं पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जे लफ़्ज़नि में कोन उलझाईंदुसि मां हिकिड़ी तव्हांखे सिंपल टेबल हिकिड़ो सिंपल फार्मूला ॾींदुसि उन फार्मूला खे मदे नज़र रखी सम्झो त अॼु तव्हांजो सिन से फार जो मसइलो हमेशह जे लाइ हल थींदो ऐं इहा उलझी गुथी अॼु सुलझी वेंदी जी बाबू हेॾा थोरो ध्यानु परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में इट हैज़ बिन रेनिंग हैवीली सुबह खां वठी शाम खां वठी कल्ह खां वठी ॿिनि कलाकनि खां वठी राति खां वठी 12 बजे खां वठी 3 बजे खां वठी को बि टाइम लॻाइणो आहे उन जे लाइ असां मुख़्तलिफ़ केॾीमहिल सिंस लॻाईंदा आहियूं केॾीमहिल फार लॻाईंदा आहियूं हर स्टूडेंट डबल माइंडेड आहे उदास आहे कजे छा सिंस लॻायां फार लॻायां पर अचो त हिन टेबल ते नज़र कयूं जी बाबू टेबल आसान असां टाइम जो जेको आम जनरल आम ज़िंदगीअ में यूज़ कंदा आहियूं सो टाइम जो नंढे में नंढो एको सेकंड यूज़ कंदा आहियूं बाबू सेकंड ऐं माइक्रो सेकंड उन खां घटि ठीकु आहे पर साइंस पाण सेकंड जेको यूज़ कंदा आहियूं सेकंड बणिजी छा ठहंदो आहे 60 सेकंड मिली मिनट मिंट मिलंदो आहिनि 60 त आवर ऐं जॾहिं आवास मिलंदा त डे ठहंदा डे जॾहिं पाण में मिलंदा त वीक ठहंदा जॾहिं वीक मिलंदा त महीना ठहंदा महीना मिली साल ठहंदा साल मिली सेंचुरियूं ठहंदियूं सेंचुरियूं प्लाटिनियम को मिलेनियम चइबो अॻिते लफ़्ज़ असां सेंचुरीअ ताईं पुॻासीं असांखे ज़रूरत कान्हे वधीक जेकी असांजी टेस्ट जे लिहाज़ खां ईयर ताईं काफ़ी आहे टाइम जो सेकंड खां शुरू थियासीं ऐं सेंचुरी ते पुॻासीं सेकंड मिली मिंट ठहंदा मिंट मिली कलाक ठहंदा कलाक ठही ॾींहं ठहंदा कलाक मिली ॾींहं मिली हफ़्ता मिली महीना मिली साल ठहंदा साल मिली सेंचुरियूं ठहंदियूं आवाज़ लफ़्ज़ ॾिठा चलो ही जेकी तव्हांजे साम्हूं ही चंद लफ़्ज़ लिखिया पिया आहिनि जॾहिं बि तव्हांजे टेस्ट में पहिरीं ब्लैंक अचे हर टेस्ट में तक़रीबन सिंस फॉर सां सुवालु ईंदो आहे तव्हांजे टेस्ट में हिननि लफ़्ज़नि मां सिंग्युलर हुजे 1 सेकंड हुजे 2 मिनट्स हुजनि हाफ आवर हुजे 3 आवर्स हुजनि 1 डे हुजे 3 डेज़ हुजनि 2 वीक्स हुजनि 5 वीक हुजे 1 वीक हुजे 2 मंथ्स हुजनि 3 मंथ्स हुजनि 2 years हुजनि 1 सेंचुरी हुजे जॾहिं ही लफ़्ज़ अचनि तव्हांजे साम्हूं बग़ैर धड़क बग़ैर कंहिं झझक जे मिलाए छॾियो फॉर छा फॉर मिलाए छॾियो सिंगुलर हुजनि प्लूरल हुजनि इहे लफ़्ज़ तव्हांजे सेंस ऐं फॉर घुरे फॉर लॻाए छॾियो हाणे सवाल पैदा थियो सर इथे त फॉर यूज़ थींदो हाणे सिंस किथे यूज़ थींदो सिंस लाइ असां छा कंदासीं त मां शागिर्दनि खे ॿारनि खे चवंदो आहे बाबू परेशान थियण जी ज़रूरत कोन्हे सिंस यूज़ करण लाइ मूंखे हिकु सेंटेंस लेट मी से ओनली वन सेंटेंस for applying and inserting the since in the sentence. Only one sentence. I can clear your concept in just one sentence. That where we have to use since. Only one sentence. So to ध्यान ऐं दिलचस्पी सां since ऐं for जो हमेशा जे लाइ मसलो हल उलझी गुथी सुलझी वई जी बाबू ही लफ़्ज़ इन्हनि सां असां यूज़ कंदासीं छा for हाणे सिंस किथे यूज़ कयूं हिकु सेंटेंस सिर्फ़ु चवण जी इजाज़त ॾिजो बाबू ही लफ़्ज़ तव्हांखे यादि हुजनि ही ज़हन में हुजनि ही हिनखे पंहिंजे ज़हन में पको पुख़्तो करे छॾियो हाणे सवाल आहे त असां सिंस किथे यूज़ कंदासीं हिकु सेंटेंस बिल्कुलु सादी ऐं सिंपल ज़बान में बाबू सिंस किथे यूज़ कंदासीं जी बाबा सिंस किथे यूज़ कंदासीं बस हिकु सेंटेंस चवण जी इजाज़त ॾियो न सिंस ही लफ़्ज़ यादि करे छॾियो हिन लफ़्ज़नि खां अलावा ॿियो कुझु नज़र अचेव सिंस यूज़ करे छॾियो हाणे मां चवां बर्थडे छा यूज़ कंदा संडे 3 जनवरी बाबा हिते जनवरी आहे छा हिते मंथ आहे मंथ सां हुजे 23 मार्च 2021 2011 छा यूज़ थींदो सिंस यूज़ थींदो सिंस चाइल्डहुड सिंस फॉर 2 years फॉर हिते लॻो पिया 2 days half hour 3 weeks 1 month Saturday 11th February जेकी हिन लिस्ट खां अलावा हुजनि त उन्हनि ते असांखे सिंस यूज़ करे छॾणी आहे ठीकु आहे बाबू सिंस ऐं फॉर जो तसवुर क्लियर नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड दिस लाइन ही जिते बि हेल्पिंग वर्ब ॾिसो साईं टाइम जो इशारो आहे हाणे शुरू थिया जी बाबू हेॾां जेॾीमहिल ही हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज़ कया वञनि मां टेंशन जा नाला छो खणा छो चवां त ही यूज़ेज आहिनि ही टेंशन तव्हांखे छो उलझायां बाबू ही लफ़्ज़ यादि करे छॾियो जॾहिं बि हिते ॾिसो वर्ब फोर्थ फॉर्म इंग फॉर्म यूज़ कयो वेंदो जॾहिं बि ही यूज़ कया वञनि विल शल कैन कुड मे माइट वुड शुड आट टू जॾहिं इहे लफ़्ज़ यूज़ कया वञनि बग़ैर धड़क अरे बग़ैर कंहिं झझक ऐं परेशानीअ जी वॾे कॉन्फिडेंट थी यूज़ करे छॾियो वर्ब जो फर्स्ट फॉर्म कहिड़ो फॉर्म बाबा ऑप्शन ईंदा स्पीक स्पोक राइट रोट रिटन फर्स्ट फॉर्म ते जॾहिं बि लफ़्ज़ पर एक्टिव स्टाइल जो क्लास आहे पैसिव में थोरी चेंजिंग थींदी उहो वरी बाद में ॿुधायो थो जी बाबू हीअ रो असांखे छो टाइम जो इशारो थियो त हीअ रो असां क्लियर करे छॾी बाबा वर्ब जो कहिड़ो फॉर्म कहिड़ा आहिनि विल शल कैन कुड मे माइट कुड शुड आट हिन सां वर्ब जो फर्स्ट फॉर्म हाणे सवाल अचे रो हिन कतार ते आयासीं त हिते लफ़्ज़ कहिड़ा यूज़ कया वेंदा जी बाबू ॾिसो कहिड़ा हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैज़ हैव हैड विल हैव शल हैव वुड हैव शुड हैव कुड हैव माइट हैव मस्ट हैव आट टू हैव जॾहिं बि इहे लफ़्ज़ ॾिसो इहे हेल्पिंग वर्ब ॾिसो त बग़ैर कंहिं परेशानीअ जे वर्ब जो फर्स्ट फॉर्म वर्ब जो थर्ड फॉर्म टेस्ट हल तव्हांखे रुगो ही हिंट्स यादि रखिणो त हिननि सां ही यूज़ थींदो हिन सां ही यूज़ कयो हिनखे यादि कयो बाबा छा जा टेंस पिया यादि कयो छा जा थो था थी छा जो सघे थो जी जॾहिं ज़रूरत पई न पाण खे लैंग्वेज जी स्पीकिंग जी ॻाल्हाइण जी पोइ गॾु सिखंदासीं वेही पर जेकर तव्हांजी टेस्ट जी तयारी आहे त टेस्ट खे मद्देनज़र रखी असांखे ही शयूं यादि रखणियूं आहिनि हाणे हिन में हिकिड़ी मूं हिन में प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरीज़ बि अची विया हिन में मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज़ बि अची विया जेकी प्रेज़ेंट ऐं पास्ट सां रिलेटेड आहिनि 8 टेंसन जा उहे सम्झो प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरीज़ आहिनि बाक़ी ॿिया मॉडल आहिनि हाणे हिते अची वियो हिकिड़ो क्वेश्चन हा सर तव्हां सेमी चयो सेमी त हिते डिस्कस ई कोन्हे थियल अचो सेमी जो हिकिड़ो ॾाढो ज़बरदस्त ऐं इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ॿुधायां त सेमी किथे यूज़ थींदो ऐं कीअं यूज़ थींदो बाबू सेमी ऑक्सिलरीज़ उहे हेल्पिंग वर्ब आहिनि जेकी डबल रोल अदा कंदा आहिनि छा मतिलबु डबल रोल त उहे एक्शन वर्ब तौर बि यूज़ थींदा आहिनि ऐं उहे हेल्पिंग वर्ब तौर बि यूज़ थींदा आहिनि ॾिसो हिकिड़ो मिसाल तौरु उन्हनि मां ॾाढो आम आहे नीड ॿियो डेयर नीड माना ज़रूरत हुअणु ऐं डेयर माना हिमत करणु जुरत करणु यादि ॾिसो जी बाबा जेकॾहिं मूं यूज़ कयो आई नीड मनी त ही सिर्फ़ु एक्शन वर्ब तौर यूज़ थियो आहे ही ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब तौर कोन्हे जॾहिं बि ही ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब तौर हिननि मां कमु वरितो वेंदो त हिननि जी फॉर्मेशन ऐं कंपोज़िशन चेंज हूंदी छा हूंदो सब्जेक्ट हूंदो प्लस नीड या डेयर हूंदो प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट टू प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म मिसाल फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन्फिनेटिव हूंदी पोइ ऑब्जेक्ट हूंदो सब्जेक्ट डेयर और नीड प्लस इन्फिनेटिव एंड प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट उन महिल नीड ऐं डेयर छा हूंदा उन महिल उहे ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब तौर यूज़ करे सघजनि था आई नीड मनी सिंपल आई डोंट नीड मनी डू आई नीड मनी जीअं यूज़ कंदा आहियूं माना मेन वर्ब आहे पर चवां थो आई नीड टू अर्न मनी पर हिते मां हिकिड़ो चेंज बि कयां सब्जेक्ट खां शी नीड्स टू अर्न मनी शी नीड्स टू अर्न मनी हुनखे पैसनि कमाइण जी ज़रूरत आहे हाणे जेकॾहिं हिन सेंटेंस खे निगेटिव कंदासीं नॉर्मल जेको रूटीन हूंदी आहे प्रेज़ेंट सिंपल खे निगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव करण जी त शी नीड्स टू अर्न मनी शी डज़ नॉट नीड एस ख़तम थींदी शी डज़ नॉट नीड टू अर्न मनी डज़ शी नीड टू अर्न मनी डज़ शी नॉट नीड टू अर्न मनी बिल्कुलु उन स्टाइल सां पर यादि रखी छॾियो जेकॾहिं इन खां असां हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो कमु वरितो यानी हेल्पिंग वर्ब तौरु ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब तौरु यूज़ कंदासीं सिचुएशन चेंज थींदियूं ऐं इहा यादि करण जी शइ आहे ऐं ॾाढी स्पेशल शइ आहे मां चओ सम्झां त हर स्टूडेंट लाइ छा कबो जॾहिं हिन खां हेल्पिंग वर्ब तौरु मदद वरिती वेंदी त पोइ इन नीड खां पोइ या डेयर खां पोइ नॉट यूज़ कबी हिकिड़ो त निगेटिव थी वियो शी डज़ नॉट नीड टू अर्न मनी पर जेकॾहिं यूज़ था कयूं शी हेल्पिंग वर्ब था नीड खे हेल्पिंग वर्ब बणायो पोइ यादि रखी छॾियो उन महिल एस कोन ईंदी एस ख़तमु छो त हाणे हिन खां कहिड़ो कमु पिया वठूं शी नीड नॉट शी नीड पोइ इहा इंफिनिट वारी टू बि ख़तमु असेट में हूंदी निगेटिव में न शी नीड नॉट अर्न मनी इंट्रोगेटिव कंदासीं नीड शी अर्न मनी टू न लॻंदी न को एस लॻंदी नीड शी अर्न मनी नीड शी नॉट या नीडंट शी अर्न मनी शी रियली पोइ एम्फेटिक बणाइजे त साॻियो हुन स्टाइल वारो थींदो सो बहरहाल मूंखे इशारा काफ़ी पिया थियनि सर क्लास टाइम ओवर आहे इनशाला वरी ॿिए क्लास में हितां ई शुरू कंदासीं सो यू मस्ट हैव आई थिंक यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड वॉट एवर यू हैव लर्न टू यू हैव टू रिवाइज अगेन सो इनशाला हितां ई खां वरी ॿिए लेसन खे ॿिए क्लास खे शुरू कंदासीं सो थैंक यू वेरी मच